Hello guys, and welcome back to another video here today at the Startup Brain TV, the platform to help you boss up and create more wealth for yourself. So if you're new to my channel is all about business, entrepreneurship, and making money online. And I release a video every Tuesday on how to make money online. So if you're interested in all that type of content, be sure to hit the red subscribe button down below and hit that bell notification button so you don't miss out on my videos when they do come out. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money on your website or your blog. So if you're interested in finding out more on this, then you better stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Welcome to the Startup Brain TV, where you can learn how to start and run a successful online business working from home or anywhere in the world, so you can finally live the life of freedom and fulfillment that you truly deserve. Having a website or a blog is already an amazing asset to you as a business. So why not make the most of it and monetize that platform as much as you can? Now, if you're watching this video right now, then there's a high possibility that you maybe have a website where you sell your products, be it your online store, or perhaps you already have a blog where you blog about things you're passionate about. There's a lot of people probably coming to your website right now that you could be making money from, but you're just not making money from them. But there are actually other ways you can make money from your website or your blog that have nothing to do with customers purchasing from you. Now, the first way to monetize your website or blog, of course, is to either sell your product or services. Now, this could be an e-commerce type store where you buy products and resell to your customers at a higher retail price, or this could be a software type website where you're maybe selling a software where people can actually download instantly, or perhaps you're selling things like ebooks or digital products that can be purchased and downloaded instantly. Or maybe you're selling your services, you're probably a business coach, or you are some sort of consultant, or you offer a service-based business whereby people come to your website, they can see the products that you're offering, they can see the services that you're offering, and they can make a purchase decision based on that. Of course, with this option, it's going to take a little bit of convincing customers to get customers to take out your credit cards and purchase your products or your services, because on average, most people tend not to purchase from a website they've never heard about. So unless your customers really know who you are, or you've done well in building that brand reputation, you probably find it very difficult making any sales using this strategy, because there's a lot of competition on the internet these days. If customers come to your website and they don't see what they're looking for, they're moving to the next competitor. Or if there's anything wrong with the look and feel of your website, maybe it's taking ages to load, or it's not mobile responsive, for example, your customers are going to be heading over to your competitors. So if you're relying on solely making money on your website from the sale of products and services, then you're limiting yourself in terms of other options that could potentially be making you even more money. So the first option, of course, is selling your products and services to your customers. So they come to your website, they have a look at your products, they make a purchase decision instantly based on what they see, or they come to your website, they find out more about your services, and ultimately purchase your consulting services and pay for the fees. Okay, the second way you can make money from your website, of course, is to have an opt-in list. Now, an opt-in list is usually something like a pop-up. So when people go to your website or your blog, especially e-commerce type stores, there's usually like a sort of a pop-up asking you to key in your email address in exchange for a discount code. I definitely use this with my online store Fashvi. I also use this with the Run Boutique Academy, where you can actually watch a short video, and then below the video there's an option for you to sign into my email list in exchange for a free training video. So this is my way of grabbing my customers' details in exchange for a free course, and essentially I can make money in the future. Maybe not now, I can make money in the future by simply communicating with my customers on a consistent basis via email. And I'm not saying collect people's emails and spam them. Of course, you need to offer people value, because if you don't offer people value, there's no way you're going to make any money from your website in return. Okay, So another great way to make money from your website is to ensure that you have an opt-in list. You can use email marketing platforms such as Aweber, which is what I'm currently using right now. I've used them for 5-6 years now, for as long as I've been on the internet, and I highly recommend them. I'll leave a link below if you want to get started with them, and they have a 30-day free trial, so you can try that out and see how well you get along, and if you want to stay with them, then you can proceed by all means. So Make sure you have a pop-up on your website or any sort of form that collects your traffic or your website visitors' email addresses, so you're not missing out on potential money. Okay, it wouldn't make you money right now, but it could make you money the next day or the day after, because customers need a little bit of convincing before they can take out the credit cards and purchase from you. Okay, so this is another way you can make money from your blog or your website. Another way you can make money on your website or blog is to use Google Adsense. Now, Google Adsense, of course, applies to blogs, websites, and YouTube as well. So you're basically allowing Google to paste their ads on your blog or your website. And whenever someone comes to your website and maybe they're browsing along or they reading some of your content and they come across any ads, if they click on those ads, you make some money. It doesn't matter if they go on to purchase these products or not, but the fact that they've clicked on that ad ultimately means you're likely to make yourself some money. Of course, the commissions will differ because some ads perform better than others. It all depends on what type of content you're releasing. Google will place the ads on your website based on the type of content that you're creating. So if a customer came to your website and they didn't purchase your products or services, but they clicked on another ad that was on your website, you're still making yourself money without the customer actually buying from you. Okay, I have my blog at thestartupbrain.com. I release content on a weekly basis, and if you go to my blog, you will notice that on the side widget there's actually a few ads. Sometimes I'll have the ads within my content as well. So if you're just reading through some of my content, say I have content around wholesale vendors, for example, then there's a high possibility that you will see a Google ad that is relevant to wholesale clothing as well. So they're basically targeting my audience and targeting the type of content that my blog or website is producing. So if you went ahead and you clicked on any of these ads, I'll make some money from Google. So if you have a website or a blog, you should really look into monetizing that blog using Google AdSense. It's really, really easy to get started with Google AdSense. And if you're not sure how to just go to Google AdSense and register for a free account, and everything else is pretty self-explanatory in terms of pasting ads on your website and all the other information that you need to get started. If you're struggling with Google AdSense, check out the Income Rip Academy. There's a course there that can teach you how to get started with Google AdSense. Very, very affordable, and it's a great way to make yourself extra money on your website without customers actually purchasing anything from you. Okay, another way you can make money from your blog or your website, especially if you're receiving a lot of traffic on a monthly basis or a lot of customers or visitors on your website, is to charge for advertising space. So say for example I had a fashion blog and I'm getting a lot of visitors coming to my blog, then what I could do is I could actually charge online retailers that are looking to promote their businesses, get them to advertise themselves on my website. So I'll literally have like a banner on my website promoting these companies, and every time someone comes to my website who's interested in fashion, they will most likely see all these brands, and because they already have an interest in fashion, they're likely to then head over to that retailer's website and purchase products, and in exchange you're making this retailers money as well. So you can make money on your website selling advertising space, especially if you're getting a lot of traffic, and you can present that to brands out there. If they're interested in working with you, you guys can then come to an agreement in terms of what sort of monthly rates you can charge in exchange for basically advertising them in your space. Another way you can make money from your website or blog, of course, is to use my all-time favorite, affiliate marketing, where you basically promote other brands in exchange for a commission. Unlike charging brands for advertising space, where they have pretty much a space in your website that will be there indefinitely for as long as they continue to pay you every month, you can actually be earning a commission for every sale that comes through your website. So all you have to do is find a brand out there that offers products that are similar to what your content is all about, and when a customer comes to your website and they click on the referral link, if they go straight to the website and purchase from that brand, you're most likely going to make yourself a commission over and over and over again. And you don't have to think about creating any products. You don't even have to think about customer service. You don't have to worry about packaging, shipping, because that brand essentially handles all of that on your behalf. Your job is really just to use your platform, which you already have, to promote these other brands. And you can use this for joint ventures as well. So if I have an online store selling products and I have another competitor even that sells similar products, I can speak to this competitor and we can basically form and create joint ventures. So they can advertise some of my products on their website. I can then advertise some of their products on my website, and in exchange they pay me a commission for every sale that comes through my website. So you should definitely look into affiliate marketing. It's another great way to make money from your website or your blog, okay? So these are my top key methods to making more money from your blog or your website. Now I hope you guys found this video useful in making money from your blog or your website. Let me know what strategy you're currently using right now, or what strategies you feel you will be using moving forward. Leave your comments down below. Let's keep the conversation going. And of course, if you're interested in this type of make money online videos or business type and entrepreneurship type videos, be sure to subscribe below. Give this video a thumbs up, and I look forward to catching up with you guys next week, Tuesday, for another make money online and business type video. Bye for now.